All right, what's going on, everybody? I finally got up the energy to start on the OG Bird. I need to take the old swing arm off of it and put the new one on. And a place in North Carolina where I live at made this other swing arm that I'm gonna be putting on, CNS Customs, and it's much better. It's supposed to be a drag style swing arm. I like it. It looks good, but there's just some minor things I don't like about it. But it comes with the chain, new stud. I got it powder coated black. All new bearings. All kinds of goodies. And here's the arm. Thing is beautiful. These right here, you won't be able to see the axle nut or the stud or anything like that. That's what I like about it. It did cost a little extra money to get it done like that. Like I said, it's got everything else, studs, all the hardware, the chain, all that good stuff. So yeah, that arm is going to be going on, and I weighed it already. It's aluminum arm, and it wound up weighing 21 pounds. And it's still to me kind of heavy. I mean, I thought it was going to be lighter than that, but I guess not. But I do like the way it looks, and it's going to give my bird a different look. And this is the one that's on there now. So it's made by Myrtle West, the company that's no longer in business. It's aluminum arm too. It's kind of old, and some of the chrome on it is starting to go bad on it. It's got a brand new gold and black chain. It's been sitting, so it's a little dirty. I already got my clutch slave cylinder cover off the front sprocket. I'm gonna have to break this bolt right here to get that sprocket off, so I can get this chain off. I'm gonna have to unloosen the suspension, the swing arm stud right here, some nut on that side. But I do have the tool to get the swing arm off with. I just need to find it. And it's only like 100 degrees today. It is hot as hell today. So here it is, ATV swing arm tool. Made in Taiwan. But anyway, this is the tool that you need to take the swing arm off with for Hondas. I don't know if it works for all Hondas, but this is what we're working with. So I'm gonna take this, put it over here. And by the way, I got me a new mount for my GoPro, and I like it. So you guys can see what I'm doing all the time. And also I'm gonna put it on time lapse, and I'm gonna slow it back down once I get to a good spot where I can take the arm off, and I'll be back. It's a few hours later, and I just got the swing arm off. And well, I've been stopping because it's so hot. I don't want to have a heat stroke. I just have stuff everywhere. But you see, it's all tore apart, everything. And this is my this is my setup for whenever I need to take swing arms off. Yeah, don't judge me, it works. But yeah, I'm getting ready to put the other swing arm on and make sure I'm not missing anything. One thing I don't like about a swing arm, it don't have a spot for a chain guard, and neither did they have a chain guard with this swing arm setup. So yeah, that's gonna suck. But all right. There's a storm coming up. Was it California rain today? But I guess we're gonna get some. This swing arm really wasn't bad. And I could have went further out with it if I wanted to, but I'm just not really a chrome kind of person. It's just me. I just like black for vehicles or motorcycles. That's why my Blackbirds are black. It's all faithful right there. That bird is black also. And this right here was going to be black, but you see I changed it up with the fairings. It's blue on one side, red on the other side. It was green. But anyway, I'm gonna get back with you because I really don't want this storm to affect me getting this arm put on. And yeah, I just want to get the arm put on, and I'm gonna call it a day. If it starts raining, if it don't, I'm gonna try to get as far as I can with it. And I'll holler back. See you in a little bit. Peace. All right, guys, I'm back. It's been a minute. You see the sun's going down. But I have got this swing arm on. A lot of cussing, like always. Especially when you're having to do it by yourself. But let me tell you, I gotta start putting the daggone chain on this bike. And I noticed that it wasn't wrapping around the sprockets right. I'm like, this is a brand new chain, you know, it's never been opened till right now. It's still got all the factory grease on it. Okay. So I'm looking at it, and there's no way I can make it fit. And I'm like, in my head, I'm like, oh my God, is this even the right chain? I go to the back sprocket and look at it, and sure enough, chain ain't really fitting on it either. These people sent me a 525 chain, and I know I told him a 530 O-ring. I know I did. So here I am getting ready to finish up the bike. Well, as far as I'm putting the swing arm on it today, I can't even finish it up. I don't know, it might be next week before I get to finish it up. Oh, I hate that. It's kind of my fault, because whenever I got everything, I should have went through everything. Well, I kind of did. I kind of looked at everything. I didn't look at it good. If I would have looked at it good, I would have seen it was a 525 chain, not a 530. I don't even want to put my old chain back on because I don't think it's going to be long enough. I hate this. I hate that. But anyway, figure I'll let y'all look at it. Got it on. Don't look too bad. It's gonna be a lot lower than I would like, but I might be able to pull it out some more, because The simple fact is, every time I got it dynoed, I've had it on there twice now, and it has ate through my fender. That's with that swing arm and at the length it was at. But you know what? It's okay. It's gonna be all right. But yeah, that's it. She's on there, and that's gonna be pretty much all I can do for today. I hate starting on it and not being able to finish it, but oh well, to give me time now to clean up everything, because I've got stuff destroyed everywhere, tools everywhere, looking for all kinds of sockets and whatever else I need. Got a pretty good smashed finger, so yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a day, get all my stuff together, and I don't know, I think it's ready for me to act. I can still finish putting everything on it, like the gas tank, the air, shifting the kit. But that's going to be probably another video, probably next week. Yeah, it's going to be a wrap. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you later.